Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. F. 写个 F。这个是什么
Chicken.
？Chicken 也叫 ham。ham。no， 这个叫 ham。ham。什么？第一个字母 ？Chloe。
G. H.
Yay. H.
Chicken.
Yay. 这个是什么
K.
？K。
C.
Yay. 和这是一样的。那这个是什么？这什么带王冠
Queen.
？King， 这个男的。King。
C.
No K。
K.
K 也发 king 的音。对了。
How C?
I know, but king is this。这个不一样，它俩也是 K 啊。看，这有个 C F H K 啊，这个是什么？这个什么 ？Cat。
K.
Kate. Kate start with K or H or C or F.
No. Maybe C.
It's K.
No, kite.
I know kite start with K.
K.
K. Okay. This one?
But also like this one.
Yeah. This one is
Queen. What does queen start with?
Queen.
Quo.
Yeah. Quo is
Q.
yeah. Okay. This one. What's this one?
Fox. F. F.
No. That's cause H.
Maybe F.
Yeah. F is right.
Also like this one. Frog.
Yeah. See? You make it easy, Chloe. It's not that hard, right? Yay. Okay. This one is?
Call C.
Yeah. This one is? Yes. A.
H.
See, the same thing with this, Chloe. Hat. Start with H. Okay. We're gonna do is you want to do
Let's do
the ending sound. You want to do the ending sound?
No thanks.
Easy. This one. Easy. Just try one time.
That's too much.
Try it.
The 1,
Boat.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Only
6,
six.
7, 8.
No, we
9.
just do the 6. Okay. Okay.
We do this tomorrow,
Mhm.
so I don't be little tired.
Uh huh.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a second.